So that's the sound of a worn out sway bar link. When they go, they typically make a clunk type rattle noise, and that's what we have going on with this 2009 Chevy Cobalt. Replacement is easy though. You want to begin by jacking up the vehicle and supporting it with jack stands. Then remove the wheel with a 19mm socket. With the tire out of the way, we have complete access to our sway bar end link. The top end connects to the strut assembly, and the bottom end is attached to the sway bar. You'll need an 18mm socket to remove the top and bottom nut on the sway bar end link. As you can see, the ball stud is spinning with the nut, and when this happens, you'll need to use a pair of vice grips to keep it from spinning. Now for the bottom part of the end link, I'm using an 18mm wrench with the vice grips. These links are complete trash. The ball stud has no resistance, and this end link has a lot of dirt and debris inside due to a torn boot. New sway bar links look a lot better and offer plenty resistance. The correct length for the replacement sway bar link for this 2009 Chevy Cobalt with the 2.2 liter 4-cylinder engine is 300mm or 11.81 inches. The new links came with grease fittings, so I'm installing these with the 8mm wrench, and installation is reversal removal.